Introduction to Aviation with the Principles of Flight. The history of flight started from Leonardo da Vinci. He proposed flying machines that mostly clung to the idea of bird-like wings. Robert Hooke concluded that human body cannot power the artificial wings said by Leonardo da Vinci. In 1783, the first manned hot air balloon by Joseph and Etienne Montgolfier flew for 23 minutes. 10 days later, after the first manned hot air balloon, Professor Jacques Charles flew the first gas balloon. Sir George Cayley, also known as the father of aerial navigation, discovered the basics of aeronautics and built the first successful flying model of an aircraft. William Samuel Henson designed a huge monoplane that was propelled by a steam engine housed inside the fuselage. Otto Lilienthal proved that human flight in aircraft heavier than air is possible and worked towards the dreams of powered flight. Wilbur and Orville Wright, also known as the Wright brothers, flew a total of 98 seconds on 4 flights with their biplane named the Flyer. There are 4 forces acting upon an aircraft, namely thrust, drag, weight, and lift. Thrust is the forward force produced by the power plant or propeller. Drag is a rearward retarding force caused by disruption of airflow by the wing, fuselage, and other protruding objects. Weight is the combined load of the aircraft itself. Weight pulls the aircraft downward because of the gravity acting on it. Lift opposes the downward force of weight and is produced by the dynamic effects of the air acting on the wing. An aircraft moves in 3 dimensions, namely rolling, pitching, and yawing. The major components of an aircraft are namely fuselage, wings, empennage, landing gear, and power plant. The fuselage is the central body of an aircraft and is designed to accommodate the crew, passengers, and cargo. The wings are the main lifting surfaces that supports the airplane in flight. The empennage includes the entire tail group. The landing gear is the principal support of the airplane when parked, taxiing, taking off, or landing. The power plant includes the engine and propeller. The engine provides power to turn the propeller to generate thrust. The types of aircraft construction are namely truss structure, monocoque, and semi-monocoque. In truss structure, longerons are welded in place to form a well-braced framework. Monocoque construction uses stress skin to support almost all loads. Semi-monocoque construction uses a substructure in which the airplane's skin is attached. Principles of flight. Structure of the atmosphere, atmospheric pressure, and atmospheric density should be considered in the principles of flight. The theories in production of lift includes Newton's first, second, and third law and Bernoulli's principle of differential pressure. Airfoil design includes the chord line, mean camber line, leading edge, and trailing edge. The airfoil design has low pressure above and high pressure below.